Do you need a last-minute creative idea for your Christmas gifts? Give me 10 minutes. I'll show you how to turn a scrap of ugly cardboard and some watercolor into these gorgeous Christmas tree tags. Hi friends, welcome back to the studio. If you are struggling a little bit with holiday prep, don't worry, you're not alone. Take a deep breath. There we go. We are going to make something beautiful, quick, and easy. And I'm going to hack the watercolor process. So make sure you stick around to the end, and I'm going to give you one more option for your gift tags. Okay, here is the secret sauce. We're not painting these trees stroke by stroke. No, that takes too long. But what we're going to do is we're going to make a stamp. So get yourself some of that cardboard. Even an old cereal box, cut a small, simple triangle. This is your master tool. That's it. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to do is add a little piece of tape for a handle. Here is my paint. I have all your supplies listed in the description, and I'm using my color burst powders. And what you're going to want to do is put a little bit of powder in your palette and make sure it's really wet. Then I'm going to mix up this blue and green. See how it's kind of like a puddle consistency? So here we go. This is what we do. We press in there, you lift it up, and then you're going to come over to your cardstock and press it. That's it. Ready, set, go. While these are drying, I have a little question for you. I'm using traditional green and some blue to give it more of a forest color. But tell me in the comments, are you team green or would you be team colorful, like pink Christmas trees or teal blue or something like that? Make sure you tell me in the comments. All right, the next step is we're going to cut out around these trees. Now you can cut right on the green, like so. Okay, or you can leave a little edge. See, and it doesn't even matter if these drip because you're going to cut these out. But you can leave a little edge of white. Like so. For a little snowy effect. And like I said, because this is done with cardboard, you get more of a texture effect. And it kind of looks like there's snow on the trees. It wouldn't be Christmas without a little sparkle. So here's what I have. I have some rhinestones. I'm just gonna put these up here and done. Boom, just your little sparkle. Maybe even a big diamond shaped one. You can find these at the dollar store. Okay, so let me tell you, if you have never thought to use a piece of cardboard as a stamp before, hit that like button, and then that'll let me know that you want to see more of these fun techniques of using trash to treasure. Here is a secret tip I promised you. If you don't want just a flat tag like that, cut this out, fold this, cut out your tree. And make sure you leave a little bit at the top that's connected. You're going to put your sparkle on here. And you have a flip tag. So you can either write to and from on the top or open it up in to and from. See, there you have it. Art journaling, creating, it doesn't have to take hours. You can find joy in just 10 minutes. If you try this stamp hack, take a picture, load it up to Instagram, and tag me at Lynn Richards Art. I would love to see your forest of trees. All right, my friends, Merry Christmas. Keep moving forward with your art, and remember, it does not have to be perfect. We can find the joy in it.